so good, I almost can't believe. For what could make perfection bleed for sinners? What lead to king to pay so great a cost? All my life, my heart will sing the answer. Only the love of God. Singing, oh, how great is the love of God. He paid our debt on that rugged cross. For all our days we will sing our Savior's praise. How great is the love of God. It's so kind, it leads us to repentance, and it's so bright, the darkness has to flee. Hallelujah, it cleared my guilty sins, for I was blind, but now I stand redeemed. For what could break the chains of any prison? What force could rob the power from the grave? What would trade my rags for heaven's riches? No, I try, my mind can't comprehend this all my life. The banner I've been waving, my anthem cry, no matter what may come. And when I rise to walk the streets of heaven, I'll still be singing this song for everything that you've
DISO.com, our very own home. Once you join, subscribe, and log in, you'll have access to your very own homepage, where it will give you access to exclusive videos such as full song breakdowns, tone and dynamic breakdowns, and much more, as well as a full growing song inventory. Just go to www.egsource.com.